Good morning, guys. I am in the highland area of Cao Bang. I've just been past Ma Phuc Pass and I've come up to a dirt road that leads to a mountain that's got a hole in it. They call it the Eye of God. Check out all these traditional houses here. Some of them are traditional, they're on stilts. Some stilt houses. Check out the vibes there too, guys. So in order to get there, you've got to travel like from Cao Bang. It's about an hour's drive, and you go on really good roads, but then you come onto this kind of bumpy road here, a few potholes, and a few snakes. I've seen a few dead snakes lying around on the road. So I'm just going to check out this mountain that's got like a hole in it. They call it the Eye of God. I don't know the actual Vietnam name, but I'll find out for you guys. And let's see if we can throw the flycam up. Alright guys, so we've come down a bit of a dirt track. And there it is over there, that mountain. You can see it. So let's try and navigate through this paddock if we can. Maybe go this way. Looks a bit more safer. There's animals on here too, so bit of nature vibes. All right, look at all the animals over there. Look at this place. It's like a scene out of a movie, man. All the lush forests and all the rocks and stuff. All right. Look how flat this grass is, clean this grass is, I mean. Probably because all the, it looks like a golf course. Guys, check out these water buffaloes. This is what they do when they're hot. They just chillax in the water, cool off. They love it. Look at them. Seems like mommy, daddy, and little baby over here. And you can see that they've been chomping on all the grass here because it's nice and flat like a golf course. Check that out, guys. It's so cute. These water buffaloes just chillaxing right there. Wow, this is pretty cool. I want to try and get close to the Eye of God. I'm just got to find the right track to get there. It's like a maze. It's like you got to take all these different like routes to get there. Woo. Oh, my poor motorbike's getting dirty. But I'm enjoying the scenery. People living up there on those mountains. This is like real rural life, man. Look at those. Guys have got stilt houses. And there we go, there's the mountain. See if we can get a bit closer to it. Alright guys, so I've managed to park up kind of pretty close to the Eye of God mountain right there. And look at this area, man. This area is so serene. So serene with the nature vibes. The only sucks thing is all the rubbish here, man. Unfortunately left by people that have been here picnicking, I guess. Even gaming cards. But there we have the mountain. I wonder how that hole came about. That's really, really strange. Mountain that's got a hole like that. Maybe it's due to water corrosion, I guess. And you can see the what do they call them, stalactites, hanging in the inner part of the hole. We're going to take the drone up there and have a bit of a closer look. This place is awesome though, it's great. And up there on that hill there, you could see some of the stilt houses. Some of them are traditional stilt houses up there. But this place is so serene. And I'm pretty much the only tourist here, besides those 4 girls over there having a bit of a picnic and taking selfies. And the good thing here, you could come on the motorbike all the way right here. So if you guys do want to come and check out the Eye of God, I'll list the actual Vietnam name down below. Then you can just bring your motorbike all the way here and come up to the hill. You just got to navigate through one of the pathways along the farmland, and you can see all the farm animals as well, like the buffaloes and goats. They don't have any sheep here. Anyway, let's throw up the flycam and get some flycam vibes of the Eye of God here in Cao Bang, Vietnam. All right, guys, we are going to leave the Eye of God Valley. We're going to head back to Cao Bang town and chillax a little, but it's been a pretty nice lunch here next to this awesome looking mountain. I have no idea how that hole got in there, but I actually think geologically it was caused by water and corrosion. Anyway, guys, this place is beautiful, beautiful besides all the rubbish. It's just so serene here, and I can hear all the cicadas over there, all the locusts, and look at all that lush forest. And look how flat this is. This could be like a golf course. You could play golf on here. Anyway, guys, hope you have enjoyed the vibes here from the Eye of God Valley, and give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys.